Curly willow, Salix matsudana tortuosa, is a fascinating tree with its distinctive twisted branches, making it a standout addition to any landscape. Get ready to bring the enchanting beauty of curly willow to your garden. Selecting and preparing the cutting. In late winter or early spring, locate a healthy and mature curly willow branch for cutting. Look for a branch that is approximately half to 1 inch thick and 8 to 10 feet long. Use clean and sharp pruning shears to make a clean cut just below a leaf node or bud. Remove any leaves from the lower portion of the cutting. Rooting the cutting. Dip the cut end of the curly willow cutting into a rooting hormone powder or gel to enhance root development. Make a small hole in the rooting medium using a pencil or your finger and insert the cutting, burying at least 2 leaf nodes. Gently firm the medium around the cutting to hold it securely in place. Providing the ideal environment. Place the container in a warm location with bright, indirect sunlight. Ideally, the temperature should be around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. To create a humid environment, cover the container with a clear plastic bag or use a propagator dome. This will help retain moisture and promote successful rooting. Maintaining optimal moisture levels. Monitor the moisture levels of the rooting medium regularly. It should remain consistently moist but not waterlogged. Check by lightly pressing your finger into the medium. If it feels slightly moist, it is adequately hydrated. Mist the cutting and medium with water as needed to maintain proper moisture levels. Transplanting the rooted cutting. After several weeks to a few months, the curly willow cutting should develop a healthy root system. Once the roots are well established, carefully transplant the rooted cutting into a larger pot or a suitable outdoor planting location. Ensure the soil is fertile and well draining. Watering and care. Water the transplanted curly willow thoroughly immediately after planting and continue to keep the soil moist, particularly during the tree's early growth stages. Regular deep watering, especially during hot and dry periods, is essential to encourage healthy growth. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the tree to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Pruning and training. As the curly willow grows, its signature twisted branches will begin to develop. Prune the tree in late winter or early spring when it is dormant to shape its form and remove any crossing or weak branches. Trim back excessive growth to promote a balanced and attractive tree structure. With patience and proper care, you can transform a curly willow cutting into a striking and picturesque tree with its characteristic twisted branches. Embrace the unique beauty of curly willow in your landscape and enjoy the graceful charm it brings to your outdoor space.